What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I've had a lot of questions on my last video here. Obviously, this is my truck. I just installed a tune and delete on this beast, and let me tell you, the truck drives and handles, and it is just an all-around beast of a truck. It is the most fun, most enjoyable, best feeling truck I've ever driven, and I don't even have an upgraded clutch yet. I cannot wait to get, I believe I'm going with the South Bend dual disc clutch in this truck, and I cannot wait to get that installed to really feel all the power this thing has. So I'm super excited about that. But I got a lot of questions about, oh, what tuner did you get, what tunes, what tunes you're running, stuff like that. So this is pretty much gonna be a diesel, tunes 101 video today. However, finally the correct switches have came in for my semi non-working light bar. I got a momentary switch, and that's kind of useless, so we finally got the right switches, and they actually came with the pigtail harness. So we're gonna wire this thing up really quick so the light bar actually works, and then I'm gonna show you guys and run you guys through all the tuning and stuff I did. And with that, I'm gonna talk about picking the right tuning for your truck and your application. I'm gonna run you guys through that, but I'm gonna wire up my light bar first because I actually want this thing to work. For those of you who don't know, this is a Rough Country Black Series 20-inch single row LED light bar, along with the Rough Country light bar brackets that go behind the tow hooks. I went the Black Series because it kind of ties in with my green and black theme here. I am a fan of their lighting product. I went with the 20-inch Black Series here, if you guys were wondering. Alright guys, so here's what we've been dealing with. This is my light bar switch here. Push it in, obviously you see lights up green. Super cool, super neat, super sleek. However, it's not latching, so the light bar only comes on momentarily when I push the switch. However, the correct switches finally came in, and a lot of you were asking about it in the last video I made. These switches, yes, I found them on Amazon when I actually picked up 2, and then I got 2 more on accident because I was going to cancel it because they said it was shipping was going to take forever, so I was going to cancel it, but then I couldn't, so now I have 4 and 2 momentary, so I got a lot of switches for a lot of things I don't have. Yes, on Amazon, if you guys want these, link is in the description below. Completely eyed it up. I'd say they're pretty level. Alright, so we're gonna take the new switch out, and this one graciously came with a pigtail, so I can easily attach the wires to this. Alright, so we're gonna put our switches in. Okay, so since the one switch is not gonna be used, we're just gonna put in the pigtail and leave it behind the dash and not worry about it till we're hooking up our accessory. Alright guys, and look at that, our light bar is wired, everything is heat shrunk and good to go. And bam, look at that, the light bar is on and staying on. Before I get to talking about the EasyLink platform and my viewpoint on it, I'm going to give you guys a few sound clips here. So I know you go, oh, I want to hear that. So I'm going to give you a few sound clips from the outside of the truck before I talk about EasyLink. Okay, so like you guys saw, the tunes are very clean. That was the lowest tune and the highest tune I revved down. Tunes are very clean. I cannot complain. Me personally, like I said in my last video, my last truck, my entire bumper was covered in soot, and then when I put my stack in, my entire bed was covered in soot. You couldn't even sit on the tailgate. So having clean tunes is actually is actually awesome. So I'm gonna say thank you to Corey at PPEI for doing that. I will be getting a tip for this. Actually, I have 2 tips. One I've had for my last truck. I need to get re-powder coated. All right, so let's talk tunes. Like I said, there are options for your truck, options for this truck. Like I said, there's MM3, EFI Live, EasyLink. I went with EasyLink for the simple cloud-based tuning off your phone. If you need any updates or anything, they're sent directly to your phone, and you can send them directly to the tuner. Like I said, EasyLink isn't a tune itself. EasyLink is a tuner. Companies like PPEI, HPP, they will all write tunes that will be uploaded onto your tuner. So it's pretty much up to you what kind of tunes you want to go with. Some companies write, 3 tunes. PPEI, they write 5. You can get custom tunes written if you know the right people and upload it onto your device. Depending on your truck and your application, I recommend doing research, and lots of it. Tuning your truck is nothing to mess with. You want it done for your application, you want it done right. If you're racing, you're not going to get standard street tunes from this company, or you're going to get different tunes from this company. You're going to want tunes for your racing application, or you want tunes for high torque, whatever it is. Do your research. My Cummins is different than your Duramax, your Power Stroke, your first gen, second, third gen. All the trucks are different, so there's a lot of research. Like I said, older trucks, I know there are tuners that are better for some trucks than other trucks. Like Cummins, I know back in the day, Smarty is an amazing platform for the 5.9 common rails. However, back then, EFI Live banging, for the Duramaxes. So don't just say, oh, he's got PPEI EasyLink tuning, I'm gonna go out and get PPEI EasyLink tuning. No, do your research. Another reason why I picked PPEI EasyLink tuning is because a lot of people on the internet say great tunes, no problems, haven't had problems, very reliable, good customer service, stuff like that. Look deep into it, because when you're tuning your truck, you do not want to mess with it. You want it done right. You don't want problems. You don't want to hurt the truck. You don't want to fry computers. None of that. So make sure you do your research depending on your truck, whether it's a new Duramax, an old Duramax, a 6.0 Power Stroke, 6.7 Power Stroke, 5.9 Cummins, 6.7 Cummins, 6.4 Power Stroke. There are a million applications out there for tuning, and people who write tunes, and people who write custom tunes, and all this stuff. But I said, my truck application is different than yours, depending what you want to do with it. If you want to haul heavy, there are people who write tow tunes. There are people who write, race tunes. There are people who just write all around economy driving tunes, depending on what you want. Do your research for your truck. Like I said, I'm not here to tell you, yo, get this for your truck, do this. I'm just saying, I picked, if you guys are wondering, I picked PPEI tuning on the EasyLink platform for my truck. I can only tell you about, why I chose it. And like I said, cloud-based tuning, everything's on your phone. In the future, like I said, I feel like it's the future of tuning as well, because everything is, we're all linked with cell phones nowadays. So getting your tunes sent straight to your phone, being connected with your technician, all like that, all those things are super, super amazing to have at the palm of your hand. Especially if you're doing like racing and other applications like that, having your technician who wrote your tunes, at the palm of your hand, that's incredible. So if any tune's messed up, or you're misfiring this, that, and the other, you contact him, get that tune sorted out right then. That's why EasyLink is super, super cool. But like I said, it might not be for you. But overall, with the few days I've had my truck tuned by PPEI, I've had an amazing experience. This truck is a whole new animal. Just like tuning your old truck, tuning a new truck is no different. It wakes it up. You feel the full power of these trucks. Diesel engine platform is incredible, and it harnesses so much power. And as I said, once you drive one tuned diesel, you will never buy a gas truck again. So I hope that helped a lot of you guys out, or at least some of you guys out, for tuning applications. I am super excited about what's to come with this truck. We got a lot of lighting coming up on this truck, let me tell you that much. Auxbeam was kind enough to send over a lot of lighting things, and I'm gonna order some other lighting things, and this truck is just starting out. It's come such a long way so far. If you guys have been following from the beginning of this build, you know what I started with, and here we are today. This truck is super cool. There's a lot of green on the front end here. I still think it needs something else up there to you know, kind of break it up somewhere. Maybe some black fog lights or something, but I might need something to break it up front, because it's super green and not very many you know, contrast up there. I'm also amazed at the growth of this family and this, you know, all you guys out there. So I want to say thank you guys for your support. It's so much fun seeing all the comments, talking to you guys, interacting with you guys enjoying this content. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Like I said, lots and lots of lighting coming soon. And like I said, we still got more and more mods to do. I haven't even touched the engine yet. So much stuff to do that, you know, the engine is, you know, it's making its way into the, you know, the forefront of this build. So we're getting there too. We got clutch to do. We got gears to do. We got a lot of engine mods to do. We got lighting mods to do. And this truck is nowhere near done. And you know, that's the best part about it, guys, is, you know, your build, your baby, you got a vision, build it the way you want, whether it's a car, truck, motorcycle, ATV, anything. You got a vision, make it happen. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. I want to say take care. I'll see you in the next video, because it's gonna get exciting.